Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Gyrotech Nabco 149045K bottom guide roller kit for their 1175 U30 sliding door. And this video will serve as visual evidence, as dimensional evidence of the wheel itself. Bronze bushing in the center. Has an applied, well, I believe there is an applied hardened surface on one end. Let's take some dimensional properties of the wheel. Outside diameter, 1.474. 1.474. The thickness of the wheel, 0.436. 0.436 thick. The ID of the bronze bushing, 0.377. 0.377. It's also going to include its axle, which has an overall length of 1.303. 1.303. Let's take a look at the diameter of the unit as well. 0.374. 0.374 diameter. We'll also include a couple of E-clips that are going to be used, obviously, in those slots that are in the axle to retain that through the wheel, is what I'm driving at. Okay, you slide them E-clips on either side. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Gyrotech Nabco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. On that page is where we will keep any installation instructions, owner's manuals, wiring diagrams, and other encyclopedic documents would indeed be kept there. Any questions on the Gyrotech Nabco 149045K bottom guide roller kit? And they're sold as each. This client purchased two. When you buy one, we'll send you one. If you have any questions on this or any other Gyrotech Nabco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.